saw your table though. You are. Isn't that bad? You're sick for a while, right?
Okay, let's go ahead and get started. If you noticed, really we're still solving equations, so learn how you didn't change. Well, I mean, it changed from 1 step to 2 steps to multi-step, but heck, you already did it. You did the mains. So let's go over these math workshops, and then we'll talk about what we're going to do today. It's going to be a good day. I've decided. Okay, so, no, not that, my kind of a good day. Function, not a function. What are we looking for when we see a list of ordered pairs?
Looking to see if the first number is it.
The x value, what about it? If it's repeated. So if the x value is repeated, so we have two of the same x's going to different y's, we have an issue. So, and you can have a point for that. Tyler, number 6, yes, Hunter. Yeah, just function, not a function.
Yeah.
Okay, it is a function. None of the x values are repeated. You can have a point for that. Yes, dear, Craig? Not a function. Can you tell me why?
Because 8 can't equal 2.
Okay, so 8 is being repeated. It's having to go to 2 and to 3. You can't live a double life like that, or it's not a function. And then number 8, you can add a point for that. Number 8, yes, dear. It is a function. I don't see anything that's being repeated in the x values, and you can have a point for that. Okay, again, what happened is you went to sleep, and you kind of forgot some of the altitude trig stuff, so that's why we're reviewing it in that math workshop, because you've already learned this. We just want to make sure you don't lose it, because you're trying to do ACT and that kind of thing, and we don't need you to lose these normal math skills, because we're off and we're no discrete land. Okay. As for number 9, we're looking for that vertical line test. Yes, table 2.
Okay, it's a function.
Okay. It is a function. Vertical line test. You take your pencil. We also call it the pencil test. And you run it across. And as long as it doesn't cross your graph twice, you're good to go. Now, that graph is a little misleading because that top line, for some unknown reason, is darker. It really should just be that parabola. And you can have a point for that. And yes, dear, you can have number 10. It is not a function. It fails it, for instance, here. Not a function. And then we get to number 11, and yes, dear. It's not a function. It fails it, for instance, there. There are lots of other places where it fails, and I'm just picking one example. And you can have a point for that. And then, Hunter, before you die, you want to do number 12?
Yep.
Okay, it's a function. You can have that one. A point for that. For an extra point. What kind of function is that? Can you classify this function? Yes, dear.
13?
Yeah, it's number 12.
Oh.
On number 12, what kind of function is it? Yes, dear? It is not a square root function. See the V? It's an upside down V. It should ring a bell as to something.
Vertical.
I know you. Yes, and you will be the answer on that one, and I'll give you your point already. Okay. What is it on 12? If I told you it started with an A, would that help?
Ace.
Sausage.
I thought it was an I. Say it again. Acute function? Okay, so my point goes to myself. My 3 point goes to myself. Yes, dear?
Can I do 12?
You got 12 now?
Well, yeah.
It starts with an A, and you know what it is? What is it?
Absolute value.
It is absolute value. You can have it. Okay. Number 13. Now, I'm going to break your heart. I already asked someone to classify it, and he already said it was square root function. He knew absolute value and square root function. Do you have to remember that today? No. Does it help in life? Maybe. I don't know. It helps to know words sometimes. 13. I'm needing help with it. Yes, dear? It is a function, and that's your point. And we're going to let it go from here. However, if you're trying to get a head start on your life and you've forgotten standard form, I'm going to write it now. If you're wanting to get a head start on tomorrow's set, ax plus by equals c. You got to have the x piece and the y piece on one side, the number on the other. And there is one rule, and I'm going to put a is, what does that n mean?
Non-negative.
What does that n? Oh, I guess I should use words. Natural. Okay, meaning it can't be negative and it can't be a fraction. So when you rearrange it, for instance, on number 15 or whatever number, if you end up getting a fraction, we got a problem. And then 17 has a typo, but we'll fix that tomorrow. That's tomorrow's problem. Remind me what happened yesterday. What happened yesterday? We took a quiz. Eric, you think I'm so much better than I am. Whoa. High pressure. I appreciate that. No. Eric asked a good question. Are your quizzes graded? No. They're going to be graded before the weekend. However, I'm trying to be nice and you're ruining your nice moment. Trying to be nice and you're ruining your nice moment. And it's still all your points away. However, after...
Miss Compton?
Yes, ma'am?
Can we have Taylor Colt to check out, please?
Yes, ma'am?
You should have gone yesterday.
Okay, so I'm trying to be nice, and I've noticed that a lot of people have been here, they're just behind a little. And today we're going to let them, so that's many still have missing assignments. I want to still work on that missing assignment list. So you have your mains, you have your missing assignment list, and then I have some miracle workers like Hunter, who have, and you do too, don't you, Jacob? And then you do Matthew that have everything done. Okay, so if you have everything done, including the new mains, I have something for you. But for those who don't have their life together, it's not due tomorrow. You don't have to get it today. They're just super ahead. Let them be super ahead. No. Yes, sir. Yes, but it's not gonna. Yeah, it's not gonna be on the progress report. And that makes me feel better. Yes, this mains for my behind people. This mains is eventually going to be a grade, but I promise it's not making tomorrow's progress report. So if you got others, yeah, well, the grades are due to me Thursday. So if you got others to make progress report, it's not. You still work on the others. Yeah.